This is a giant. Tucked up in the rain. It looks like it's trying to, it's either recycling or it's just still ongoing. Yeah, multi-vort. Oh my God, look at the vortices, look at the horizontal vortices.
Cameron, will you hold the stream phone so I can get some video real quick?
Yeah. Come on.
Hold it. Hey, stay close to me.
Yeah,
Stay close.
multi-vort
Stay close to me. Stay close to me.
Yeah, I got you. Wow, fellas, that is a big time.
You can hear the roar.
Yeah, you can hear the roar clearly. There's another vort.
Yep, I see it. Dude, this cube. Oh my gosh.
That is a big tornado. Look at the multi-vortices.
That is violent.
Hey. You wanna hold this real quick?
Cameron, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Go ahead. What?
What is happening? Look at that satellite coming out the back side of it.
There's another one whipping around it.
Yeah. Big time tornado. Look how fast it's moving, dude.
Holy crap. That thing is not moving 25 miles an hour.
No, that thing's moving 40, 50.
Southeast dive bomb. Oh my.
Look at that.
Look at the vort. Look at that vort. Big multi-vort. Things get wrapped in RFD again.
You hear it?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
That's strong, guys.